Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Among the many uses of wood products, the production of dimensional lumber ranks is one of the most significant, particularly in the construction of residential dwellings. The majority of timber species used for dimensional lumber are conifers, which are typically evergreen trees and come from areas where these plants are the major component of the flora in their habitats. The wood produced from them is called softwood, despite the fact that for many species it is quite hard and durable. This term is used in contrast to hardwood, a term applied to the wood obtained from angiosperm trees, which are typically, but not always, deciduous and have slightly different cellular characteristics of their xylem. In North America, three major groups of conifers are used for the majority of dimensional lumber: spruce, pine, and fir. The woods of these species are very similar in appearance and have similar construction properties. The lumber industry identifies wood produced from them as SPF lumber, spruce, pine, fir, and this forms the bulk of the wood used for the construction of houses. Dimensional lumber forms the major structural elements of floor, walls, joists, and rafters in home construction. Recently, the use of factory-made roof trusses built from dimensional wood materials provides for quick and easy construction of roof systems that are structurally strong and provide for free spans without the need for additional structural support from within the building. Construction workers or carpenters who erect the wooden frame of the building are called framers, and dimensional lumber is the material these people rely on their livelihood. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. Log cabin homes offer not only visual appeal, but maximum ecological compatibility. This is one of the best options for building small homes. Log wood has a natural appearance, durability, and long lifespan, and a log house can be as convenient as any modern cottage made of other materials. Wooden houses have a lot of advantages. In the first place, wood is environmentally friendly material that allows oxygen to pass through, so it's easy to breathe and sleep soundly in wooden buildings. Due to low thermal conductivity, you can save on heating, and even in the harshest winters, you do not face the danger of freezing in a wooden house. We shall look at the exterior, landscaping, interior design and decorating of log cabins, and the design techniques to create a cozy home where you can rest and relax in comfort. Log cabin homes interior design features a variety of styles: rustic, country, Scandinavian, modern, etc. Most popular styles are rustic and country, which feature natural materials and simplicity of forms as close as possible to rural life. Scandinavian style is calm and functional and is characterized by light colors and practical solutions. Despite the stylistic differences, there are many common features which create a harmonious interior. The main materials are wood and stone, simple finishes, solid wood furniture, handmade accessories, textile that adds warmth, lining, wool, cotton, burlap, etc. All these elements of the interior make a log cabin home comfortable, cozy, and warm. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. Your living place showcases your interests, tastes, and overall outlook. You can express your persona to the fullest by designing your own house yourself. The experience of doing so is rewarding, and the results will always be far better than outsourcing to any commercial interior designer. Interior designers are brilliant creators when it comes to an eco-friendly house, but the contentment which you may achieve by doing so for your own home can't be described in words. Have you ever wondered that there are so many different kinds of houses around us, and if you would observe, then you would find out that no matter what the year is, but wooden houses are always a classic choice. If you are also pleased by the beauty of the wooden housing designs, then you can also get your home constructed out of wood, and as there are some modern wooden house design ideas available as well, so you would get a lot of options, and apart from that there are already some beautiful wooden houses constructed throughout the world which seem so beautiful that you would fall in love with them, and the best part is that wooden houses are easy to achieve and they take less time for getting constructed. If you are wondering about some of the best wooden house design ideas to get inspired by, then here are some of the best wooden houses that you need to check out, and also you definitely copy the design of the below mentioned houses to create your own wooden house. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. What is an A-frame house? True to its name, A-frame house is A in shape. It has walls that begin at foundation and slopes upwards, forming a triangle. This A-shaped house has acquired great popularity lately. You can find them with quirky to witty setups and modern to traditional style. The key feature of this type of house is A-shape itself, but other than that, there are many other definitive characteristics representing A-frame house type. The most commonly asked question where you can find such types of homes, the answer is everywhere, in every corner of the world, but mostly on hill stations, beachside, basically on holiday destinations. Exterior of an A-frame house. The exterior of an A-frame house is simple and sophisticated. It has two foundation walls resting on each other's shoulders and forming an A shape. You may have read somewhere about the inclined walls and less floor space. Well, they do have an inclined wall but less floor space. That is definitely a misconception about this type of house. It does have vertical walls for support at least at the ground level. The space between the vertical walls and inclined walls isn't going to get wasted, so it can be utilized as storage space. It has a slopey roof so that you can be carefree about snowfall and rainfall. Nothing will be collected on the roof. A few more key features of the exterior of this style of building or home are deep eaves, gablers, and front and back and wooden siding. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.